Alright, the second half of this vlog is me dealing with a criminal for like 5 minutes. So if that's the bit that interests you, just skip like halfway through. If you want to watch me just farting about and messing around with Maya, that's all in the first half. In yesterday's video I said there wouldn't be... I said we'd skip Wednesday, I think. We don't need to skip Wednesday. I filmed some stuff. Not a huge amount, but I filmed it. This day starts at 2 PM. It's Maya's last day at her old job. And soon she's going to be coming to work for me next week. Hi. You're all done. You're free. Now you're under my tyranny. Oh, okay. You can be the boss. Less stressful for me. You're welcome.
Oh, it's not bad. Now,
Have fun.
When I go, everyone will know I'm yours.
Just gotta label your property. No, don't say that. That's not a funny joke. See you, mate.
Bye.
I'm so getting Chinese food. After I picked her up, she had to leave because she was going to Bristol to see her sister. They're going to make pancakes together. And you know what that means? It's time for a Maya's Minute. Although, she didn't send me quite enough footage, so it's more like Maya's 30 seconds. My studio is such a mess right now. I don't even want to show you. When was the last time I had Chinese food? I think it's time.
Welcome to BT Callminder. The person you've called is on the phone.
Oh, how's it going? All right. Thank you. Yeah, you too, mate. See you later. So that evening, I had a strange phone call from what I thought was a scammer. In reality, I think it's probably a little bit more than a scammer. And I thought it would be funny at the time to kind of take the call on camera and try and expose the scammer, make him feel a bit silly. But it turns out it was a bit more of a, what would you even call it? It's like a level above a scam, right? Like it was a little bit closer to home than I realized it was going to be. So I can't put all of the conversation in this video. There's like, I mean, to be honest, a lot of the conversation kind of just goes in circles. And there's also like some personal details that get revealed. I've reported it to the police. So I don't want to put the whole conversation in this vlog. But here's a little snippet, I guess. I'm in an iron as to whether to put this in at all or not. But I guess it's kind of interesting. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, I thought this would be a fun activity. I had a scammer call me. I'm quite sure that it's a scammer. But what's weird about this one is that he has very specific information about me compared to what I'd normally get. And so normally what I'd do is I would just ignore a scammer, just hang up, block the number, whatever. But that's normally because they have vague information. But this guy has like my phone number. He seemed to kind of know who I am. And I've had a similar call to this about 6 weeks ago, which I at the time I thought was more legitimate. This seems like at least a somewhat reasonably convincing scam. I have spoken to him briefly. I know that he's going to call me back though, so let's see. I thought it'd be fun to see how far we can lead this on and see what it is that he's trying to extract from me. Could be interesting. I have my notebook ready and a pen, and my computer's here just in case this is some sort of legitimate customer who's very unusual. It won't be. He's ringing, see? He's calling me again. So let's go for it. Hello?
Hello. Yeah, so can you do the job for me?
Sorry, say that again?
Can you do the job for me?
Can I do a job for you? Yes, like I said, it depends on what it is that you want and when. What was your name, sorry, sir?
Sorry?
What was your name, sorry?
Jacob.
Jacob.
Yeah.
Okay. And is this your best contact number, Jacob?
And the friend's phone, yeah.
This is a friend's phone.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Do you have a contact number that I could call you on in case we get hung up again and you'll have to give your phone back to your friend?
Sorry?
Do you have another phone number in case we get disconnected?
No.
So you're just going to stick to using your friend's phone?
Is there a problem with that?
No, it's okay. But if I need to call you, say tomorrow, or when your friend's not here, then I need to have your phone number, don't I, rather than your friend's phone number?
Mate, I'm not stupid. Don't trick me stupid, okay?
What do you mean?
Why are you so inquisitive about the phone number?
Why am I inquisitive about your phone number?
Yeah,
Well, because you want to book in to have a kitchen built, is that right?
correct.
Okay, so
But you hung up the phone me a while ago. Okay. Okay, so when can you do the job for me?
well, you said 7 weeks, didn't you?
6, 7 weeks, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And so, like I said, my
Why were we giving out earlier on?
say that again.
Why were you giving out?
Why was I what?
Why were you giving out? Being going crazy on the phone, making threats to me.
Making threats at you?
Yeah.
I've not made any threats towards you, sir.
That's right, yeah. So when can you do the job for me?
Well, it depends on the job, doesn't it? So I need to know a bit about the kitchen.
What do you need to know?
Well, I need to know what it looks like. I need to know the measurements. I need to arrange a booking to come and visit the site. Jacob?
Hello, yes.
Yeah, you still there?
I'm still here, yes.
Yeah. So, did you hear me?
I got you, yeah, but I just don't understand, mate. You're going crazy. What did I say to you a while ago when you hung up the phone?
You called earlier, and I had to hang up because I was in the middle of something, and I texted you to explain.
What did I say when I hung up? When you hung up?
You said that you wanted me to fit a kitchen for you.
Yeah, but did I offend you or something?
No, I just explained to you. I'm at home, and I was trying to deal with something at home, so I had to hang up quickly, and I texted you, and now you've called me back.
Yeah, but I was giving out to you, wasn't I?
I don't know what you mean by giving out. What does that mean?
What was I saying rude things to you like?
You know, you didn't say anything rude to me, and I didn't say anything rude to you.
No.
No.
Yeah.
But
So you think it's 6, 7 weeks, huh?
well, yes, potentially, but it depends. It depends on the size of the job. So I'll need to arrange a site visit at some point.
Okay. Do you make bespoke furniture?
Yes, it's all bespoke, so we can do completely made to measure.
Okay. Do you have a page where I can look at some of your work?
Do I have a what? Sorry.
Do you have somewhere where I can look at some of your work?
Do I have examples of my work?
Yeah.
Yes. If you Google the company name, then you'll see the examples of the work.
Yeah.
Do you have a computer there? Can you Google it?
Yeah.
Are you on the website now?
There's no pages on there, mate.
Yeah. If you've got my phone number and my address, then the website should be there.
Yeah, but there's nothing on here, mate, to show me any pictures of it. What do you do?
The pictures of the kitchen on the website. Some of the website's still in progress to be to be finished, but there are pictures on there of the kitchens that we've done. There's also there's social media pages that are very fleshed out as well.
Sorry?
There are social media pages that are very fleshed out. Hello?
Yeah, I just don't like how you threatened me earlier on, Beyonce.
I don't know what you mean.
You were giving out to me earlier on, buddy.
Well, but you've called me. I'm confused. You've called me back.
Yeah, but because you... I was wondering why you were giving out to me. I'll talk to you tomorrow, buddy, okay?
You talk what? Sorry.
I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shut up.
All right. I'll speak to you tomorrow, Jacob. That is the end of the conversation. I think I kind of managed to scare him off a little bit by the end. When you own your own business, you get loads and loads of spam phone calls and emails all of the time. It's constant. And normally I'm not too worried. Like if I get a phone call, normally I'll get a phone call and it'll be from Africa or India or like Eastern Europe sometimes. And I can just ignore those quite comfortably. I know that they're not local scams. The people haven't done their research. They're just trying to hope that I'm like an old person who will fall into some traps. But that guy, he'd done his research. He knew a whole bunch about me. And it was very weird and very freaky. So I have reported it to the police. But strange, very strange. Does that help anybody to watch that? I don't know. I hope so. I wish I could put more in, but I can't really. Otherwise, everyone will know what he knew. And I'm very secretive. I'm like James Bond. Good night.